If you're at a point where you've tried to negotiate payment for deletions and they're not budging, then you need to negotiate settlements in full, okay? I see that you're not going to delete this from my credit report if I make a payment, but would you at least settle this account in full if I make a payment for less than owed, okay? And the reason a settlement in full is so important is if you have a $1,000 credit card that was charged off, you pay $250 in the settlement and they agree to that, and you don't negotiate a settlement in full, the remaining $750 that's remaining on that account, they can sell that to a debt collector. And the debt collector can pursue you for that remaining balance, okay? In this case, what we want to do is we want to make as little money as possible go a long way, okay? So the $250, we want to negotiate a settlement in full so that remaining $750, no one can attack me for that, okay? And if you don't negotiate that, you basically are at risk of being pursued by a debt collector. And a lot of these debt collectors are janky, and they'll try to sue you, get a judgment, and then try to garnish your wages. And nobody wants to lose 25% of their paycheck.